Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to make the background of an image transparent in Canva. So if you want to make a transparent background in Canva, all you have to do is open up the design you want to make the background transparent of. First we need to remove the background so we can make it transparent. So to remove a background of an image, all you have to do is click on Edit Photo and select the background remover, and as you can see, just like that, it has removed the background. And this is a Canva Pro feature, so you have to pay for it. But if you do not have a subscription right now, you can use the link in the description below and get a free trial of Canva Pro and use these features like the transparent maker as well, because that is also a pro feature. But you can use the free trial, and if you're not happy with it, just cancel it within the trial period. And then once you have removed the background, all you have to do is click on Share and select Download, and make sure that this option is checked, so transparent background. And now if we click on download, this image will be downloaded with a transparent background. So notice how you can make the background of an image in Canva transparent. Hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make Money with Canva checklist for free, where we reveal a ton of ways how you can make money with Canva and get other free Canva online marketing and AI resources, make sure to check out the links in the description below, where you can also sign up for Canva Pro for 14 days for free. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Canva, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlist, because we have over 1,000 free tutorials.